Continues right now for the COVID vaccine to help fight the pandemic. But during lockdown, vaccination rates in general took a really big hit. Channel 3 Waterbury Bureau Chief Dennis Valera is showing us how the Brass City is trying to make sure all the kids are caught up by the time that school bell rings.
Pediatricians at Staywell Health Center saw it firsthand. At the height of the pandemic, they did not see their patients as much, resulting in lower vaccination rates. Dr. Radhika Agrawal says we're seeing the effects.
Recently also had a measles outbreak in New York area. So we do see that whenever we have our vaccine percentage drops down, this disease is gonna rise up.
Data tracked by the CDC found routine childhood vaccinations plunged between March and May last year. And while they rebounded slightly later in 2020, it's still not enough to make up for the initial drop. The Waterbury Health Department has some of these vaccines on order, planning to inoculate in their building.
So on the second floor in our building, we're going to be offering vaccines 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. We're looking at weekend hours. We're trying to figure out the feasibility of this.
Also here at the city's new COVID-19 walk-up vaccine clinic, there's been noticeable foot traffic there, so the health department will be making the MMR, the DTaP, and other vaccines available as well.
We're recognizing the value of that placement and want to make sure that we're making childhood vaccines available there too, so folks can, stop over at get your shopping done and then stop over and get your kids vaccinated at the same time.
But of course, the main strategy in getting routine child vaccinations up is education, making sure parents know the vaccines are safe.
Once they understand the scientific reason behind that and they have given the proper information, most of them will agree.
Now, the health department plans to make these vaccines available the last week of July through the first week of September. You will have to make an appointment. Now, the CDC did issue guidance a couple months ago saying that you could get multiple vaccines at once. Here in Waterbury, Dennis Valera, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.